morning, students. Now today we will move to the rest questions of exercise 3D. Okay, so exercise 3D. Question number 8 says the total cost of 24 chairs is given. Now find the cost of each chair. So you will divide the total cost given by the total number of chairs. You will do it. Now question number 9. 1.8 meter of cloth is required for a shirt. Okay. Now how many such shirts can be made from a piece of cloth 45 meter long? So here we do have to divide also. Now we will do it. Length of cloth required for one shirt, that is 1.8 meter. Okay. Now number of shirts can be made from a piece of cloth 45 meter long. We will do what? We will divide 45 means total length given, total length of cloth given by the length of cloth required for one shirt, that is 1.8. Right? We will remove this decimal. This will give you 0 at the numerator side. Removing removing decimal at the numerator side, it will give 10 because 1 after decimal there was 1 digit, so there will be 10. Now we will divide 9 2s are 9 5s are, and here 2 divides, it does mean 25. So 25 such shirts can be made. Right, students? Question number 10. Question number 10 says a car covers a distance of 22.8 km in 2.4 liters of petrol. Right? How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? Here you will divide the given amount. Now in question number 11, a tin holds 16.5 liters of oil. How many such tins will be required to hold 478.5 liters of oil? Now we will solve it. Question number 10. A tin holds 16.5 liters of oil. So number of tins required to hold 478.5 liters of oil will be this much liters of oil is to be held by number of tins. We have to find number of tins. One tin contains 16.5 liters of petrol. So we will divide the total amount of oil given by this 16.5, that is the amount of oil contained by one tin. So 478.5 divided by 16.5. Here both at the numerator and numerator side, one decimal place is here, so we can remove both. Now we can write it 4785 by 165. Now we can divide it by 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 ones are 15, right? Okay. 15 threes are 45, 2 8. Now 15 ones are 15, 15 ones are 15. Now 135. 15 nines are 135. Now 11 divides 11 twos are 22, 9 9, 11 nines are 99. So 29 such tins will be required to hold 478.5 liters of oil. Okay. Now, in question number 13, if 69 buckets of equal capacity can be filled with 586.5 liters of water, what is the capacity of each bucket? For such, we have to divide 586.5 liters of water means total quantity of water given by 69 buckets, total buckets. So, we will write the capacity of each bucket is equal to 586.5 divided by 69. Okay. Now we will divide it by 3. 3 2s are 3 3s are 3 1s are 3 9s are 3 9s are decimal 5. Now 199.5 divided by 23. Now 23 divides 199.5. So 23 8s are 184 decimal 5. Right. Now 8.5 liter is the capacity of each bucket. Okay. Question number 15. Mr. Soni bought some bags of cement, each weighing 49.8 kg. Okay. If the total weight of all the bags is 1792.8 kg, then how many bags did he buy? And for this also, we have to divide the total weight of bags by each bag, means the weight of each bag, means total weight will be divided by each bag's weight. So, number of bags Mr. Soni bought will be equal to 1792.8 divided by 49.8. Now we will remove this decimal and that will be 17928 498. Okay. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 2 9s are. फिर 2 8s are 16, 1 9, 2 9s are 18, 6 and 2 4s are 8. Now 249 will divide. Okay. Now 249 3s are 7 4 7 and now 6 times. So that will be 36. Means number of bags Mr. Soni bought is 36 bags. Okay. For question number 16, how many pieces of plywood each 0.35 centimeter thick are required to make a pile of 1.89 meter high? So here at first we will see the units are different. Here thickness is given 0.35 centimeter and the pile's thickness is 1.89 meter. So we have to convert this 1.89 meter into centimeter. So for question number 16, hint is also given there. So that is thickness of pile, that is 1.89 meter. So once we have to convert it, we will multiply it by 100 because 1 meter has 100 centimeter. So that will be 189 centimeter. And thickness of plywood, is given 0.35 centimeter. Okay. We have to find out number of plywood. So we will divide the thickness of pile by the thickness of one plywood. So that will be 189 divided by 0.35. So here 189, we will remove this decimal from here. So there will be 2 zeros. So 18900 by 35. Now we will divide it by 7. 7 5s are 7 2s are 14. 4 9 7 7s are and 00. Now 2700. So that divides 5 5s are 25, 2 0, 5 4s are 20 and 0. So 540 such plywoods will be required to make a pile of thickness 189 centimeter. Okay. In question number 17, the product of two decimals is given 261.36. One of them is given, you have to find the other. So you will divide the product by one of the given decimal, you will get the answer. So dear students, you will solve the rest of the questions in your homework copy.